The craftsman carved me from the ancient old to peer out at all you passing foe. With loving hands he gave me my form and bid me keep you safe from harm. I am a wild thing crowned with leafy might, though some would say I am an awful sight. But I'm here to remind you where we all belong, green land beneath the summer sun. She shines her rays all down upon the earth, the stuff of life you could not count its worth. Her light and her warmth are free to all, her blessing to all life does call. Great ancient forests covered all the land, their beauty you could never understand. So you came with your axe and you cut them down, and you ploughed your fields and you built your town. The winter bird swarms would darken evening sky. It was a wonder then to see them fly. But if their roosts were to silence fall, oh, would you even notice at all? You are so many, so I pray take care, for all that lives is holy, I declare. But you're so afraid to lose your power, you do not care for tree or flower, present company accepted of course. I've seen such changes pass across the earth, to beauty and terror you have given birth, and the fate of the world lies in your hands, the future of our green and pleasant land.